So I'm super happy with getting this motor back from CM Offroad. He vapor blasted the motor. And as you can see, it is very clean now. I'll post a picture of the before. If you recall, it was spray painted or painted purple. And yeah, so I'm super happy with how this is. Next step, I'm going to tear the top end apart and see the condition of the motor. And then I'll take the case off, or not the case, the clutch cover off, and see what else I need to order in there. But immediately, looking at this motor, it seems to have been put together. It's been taken apart at least once, and it doesn't appear to be put together correctly. If you can see this little piece right here, that's not a factory washer. Looks like a homemade washer of some sort. The power valve itself, I mean, I'm not an expert at power valves, but it seems to be sticking on the way down. See? The play there. So I'm going to figure out what that is. But just by looking at this diagram, it doesn't appear to have been put together correctly. So I got to figure all that out. But right now I'm going to go ahead and take it apart and take off the top end. Cylinder looks pretty clean. Haven't taken a great look at it yet, but so far, so good. Originally, the plan for this build was just to pull the top end, put a fresh piston in it. But after being convinced by some friends, I decided to go ahead and split the cases, get the crank rebuilt, and put some fresh bearings in it, and really just give it a brand new motor. I had my friend Parker come over and help me disassemble the bottom end and split the cases. Unfortunately, the GoPro died during the best part, which is when we were splitting the cases. But hopefully I can put together a video assembling the cases, which in essence is the opposite of splitting the cases. So stay tuned for that in the next video. If you're new to the channel and you like this content, go ahead and subscribe and give it a thumbs up as well. Here is a freshly rebuilt crank, new Pro X rod and bearing. I had the work done by Factory Edge. Super pleased with their work. Excited to get this motor put back together. I also had Factory Edge clean up the cases and put brand new OEM bearings in it. So we are ready for a fresh new motor. I also took the jug over to Factory Edge, and after we looked at it, again, going by the logic that might as well do it while it's out and taken apart, actually having the cylinder replated and a slightly larger than factory piston put in as well. So we're going from a factory size of 68 millimeter to a 69 millimeter. I believe the displacement after this will be 265 cc. So super pumped on that. Factory Edge is also going to be doing some porting to give it a little bit more performance. We'll have that update for you when I get the cylinder back. It'll take several weeks, few weeks, to send it off to Millennium Tech to get replated. So yeah, this build is coming right along. In the next video, you will see the cases, the bottom end assembled, and hopefully get the frame back from powder coat and start assembling. I'd just like to thank all the subscribers to my channel. I believe when this video goes live, I'll be at or around 2,000 subscribers. So thank you for supporting the channel, and looking forward to putting out some more content for you guys to enjoy. We'll see you on the next project.